Have you ever wondered how videos like this are made?
This entire video was done using AI tools by Gerald Space. This is really amazing, and this is exactly how to make pictures talk with very great body movement. Make sure you try this out. Make sure you also subscribe to the channel.
This is a lip sync video, and this was made using just a picture and just a simple prompt. Maybe you probably just want to make pictures talk for fun, or maybe to prank someone, or use it to make it feel like one influential person said a particular thing. But please don't use it for any intent, because that's beginning to sound in some kind of way. However, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lip sync video. Very easy, very straightforward. I'm going to introduce you to this very tool. This tool is amazing, and you can use this to make lip sync video easily. If you're new here, my name is Gerard. I'm making this tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. All right, so I'm going to leave a link to this tool in the description below, so you have to just click on it and then go on to that very big platform and do whatever I'm going to show you how to do. I'm going to switch to my PC and then do everything there. But if you want to send this link directly, just comment link and I'll send this link directly to you. All right, so that wastes much time. Let us get out of business. So to do this, first of all, you need to come to this site here, JXP.com. I'm going to leave a link to this site in the description below for you just to click on it. And when you come here, you see that they have like different models here that I can make use of here. Sit downs, Google View Train, Google Nano Banana Clink, See Dreams, which is like super amazing. Alright, they offer like different services. This site is just super amazing. If you're a content creator and you want to make videos and that Grok is no longer available, there is a site that I will advise for you. After signing in, this is the page you're going to land on. But for this video, we're focusing on lip sync option. So I'm gonna come here and click on this. Alright, so it's going to bring you to this very page here. Alright, here's like a demo of what this does. If you do this, if you want to do this, come here, click to upload your picture. So we're going to make use of this picture. This is like a random picture I just saw on the internet, so we're going to make use of it. Here you're going to select your audio right here. So after selecting your audio, that's the one you want to use, so you're going to come here and click on this. For me, I'll make use of this 720p. Alright, it takes 2 credits per second. So this video is just 13 seconds long, so to do a calculation of 26 credits in total. Here you can also describe your character, what you want your character to do, how you want it to act, and all of that, which is another super amazing tip. Alright, so but for this we just focus on this very one. Alright, so you're gonna come here and click on generate video. Then it's going to load. It will take a few minutes. As you can see, it's very fast, and the video will be ready in a very short while. So our video is ready. Let's see how it comes out.
This entire video was done using AI tools by Gerald Space. This is really amazing, and this is exactly how to make pictures talk with very great body movement. Make sure you try this out. Make sure you also subscribe to the channel. You can see how amazing this came out. This is really amazing. The body language, the movements, the eyes, the skin texture, everything just comes out very perfectly. Doesn't even look like AI. So you can use this to do like a lot of things. But like I always say, this is strictly for educational purposes only, so don't use it for any intent. Alright, so when you're done, you can just come here and download your video right here. When you click here, it's going to load and it's going to download almost immediately. But now let us explore other things that this AI can do. All right, let's just look at this. Let's just try something out. So let's use Google View Tree to run a video. All right, I have a prompt already ready. All right, so I'm going to use this very prompt to create a video and to see how it comes out. All right, I've pasted my prompt here. There you can look at the inspiration here, but let us ignore that. The video duration is actually the highest. It's actually 8 seconds. I believe other ones are much. You can also get other ones that will cost less. Alright, I think our video. Alright, so the aspect ratio 16:9. It's okay. Alright, so this is going to cost us 32 credits. I already have 304 here, so alright, let's just click on it and see. If we have an image, you can also use an image reference, or you can use a video reference, whatever you want it to be. So let's just click on generate, and then we're gonna our video is already generating.
we're gonna wait, then see how it comes out. While we're waiting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. This is very important. And also drop a comment in the comment section below if you find this very helpful or useful. It's going to really help push the channel. All right, so let's wait for this till a few minutes. Our video ready. Now our video is ready, and just look at what we have here. This came out exactly like the prompt I gave it. So if you want to explore more, you can give it other prompts and just do something else that is more creative. All right, it depends on your creativity and all of that. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. So that's that on that. I hope you have learned how to make pictures talk, do easy lip sync, and you can see how smooth and amazing this looks. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. All right, so see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll attend to you to the best of my knowledge. See you guys in the next video.